Welcome, in front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen, and it's already open and visible. Make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, and next hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Let's try that again. Or is it the volume button? Okay, so it looks like the volume button shortcuts don't work, so there is another way. I'm going to swipe down from the top of our screen. This will bring down our notifications, and here one of those toggles will be the screenshot one. So there it is. Tap on it. You can see it captures a screenshot. You can close this up and you can find the screenshot that I've captured by opening up your Photos application, and in here you either will see it somewhere in here. Oh, the LK just appeared, or later on you will have albums right here. Oops, I just closed it by mistake. You'll have albums, and in albums you'll find screenshot album like this one, in which obviously you can see your screenshots. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.